Good morning, guys. Everybody join. लास्ट सेशन में क्या किया आप लोगों ने? डीई के दिस इज योर फर्स्ट सेशन.
हेलो मैम।
यस बच्चे.
यस मैम, हम लोग लास्ट सेशन में ना
हम्म.
पहले तो मैम ने टाइम दिया था 15 मिनट का। तो
ओके.
उसमें मैम ने बोला कि आप लोग ग्रुप बना लीजिए और
हम्म.
आप लोग ग्रुप बना के मेरे को इन्फॉर्म कर किसका कितने ग्रुप में कितने मेंबर्स हैं। उसके बाद अपना प्रोजेक्ट टाइटल दे दीजिए। तो बस मैम यहाँ तक हम लोग किए। अब बहुत सारे मतलब ग्रुप में अपना प्रोजेक्ट भी नहीं दिए शायद। बस वहाँ
ओके.
से स्टार्ट
ओके.
करना है। जिसका प्रोजेक्ट
ओके.
नहीं दिया गया है वो अपना दे।
Because first of all, what I first of all let me introduce you with your subject. This is a design engineering subject, and in this you have to you have to prepare a project. आपको एक project बनाना है. I will allow 4 people in a group only. More than 4 is not allowed. To make your teams accordingly. So you can make your teams accordingly. Your groups accordingly. Group decide कर सकते हो आप अपने. More than 4 people are not allowed in a group. And I think in your third semester you have already done with design engineering part. तो design engineering का already आप लोगों को पता है कि आप लोगों ने design engineering में क्या किया है. Basically, let me introduce this subject within a few minutes. This is a subject of basically of your thinking skills, right? And how you people will think differently and make such things in such an innovative manner. So basically, you have to come up with the problems you have observed somewhere, and with the solutions. No, you can continue, but you have to add on some other features in it. That's why I'm giving you the brief now. So in this semester, you will make a prototype of your project. आपको इस बार अपने प्रोजेक्ट में शीट्स के साथ साथ प्रोटोटाइपिंग भी बनाना है. प्रोटोटाइप क्या है? एज अ ब्लूप्रिंट ऑफ योर प्रोजेक्ट, राइट? सो आई एम गिविंग यू सम टाइम हियर टू डिसाइड योर ग्रुप्स फर्स्ट. एक तो अपने ग्रुप्स डिसाइड कर लो, ठीक है? क्योंकि एक हफ्ता आपके पास ऑलरेडी था आपस में डिस्कशन करने के लिए. तो आई होप आप लोगों ने वो सब डिसाइड कर ही लिया होगा. स्टिल आई एम गिविंग यू सम फ्यू मिनट्स हियर to decide your group members first, and also come up with some ideas on which you want to make the project. After discussing your ideas with me, you people will allow I will allow you people to make the to continue with your idea, right? और शायद आप लोगों को याद होगा मैंने आप लोगों के साथ एक शीट भी शेयर की है डिजाइन इंजीनियरिंग की ऑनलाइन. देखिए आप लोगों ने, that is related to the project details. After the discussion or after the finalization of your projects or teams, you have to put your details over there in that sheet. ठीक है? आपको इस शीट में अपनी डिटेल्स पुट ऑन करनी है. So I'm giving you a few minutes here, 5 to 10 minutes. Just discuss with your classmates or teammates and come up with your team and discuss your idea with me. Then I will ensure you that you will continue or not. Fine. And this subject is moreover is I think of 1 credit, and this is not about to earn marks in this subject. This is about the thinking skills or the logical or analysis skills you people are having. क्योंकि जैसे कि हम लोग अपनी बॉडी की एक्सरसाइज करते हैं ताकि हमारी बॉडी फ्लेक्सिबल रहे, वैसे ही हम अपने दिमाग की एक्सरसाइज कैसे करते हैं? दिस इज ऑल अबाउट थिंकिंग. जब तक सोचोगे नहीं तब तक चलेगा नहीं, राइट? तो इस सब्जेक्ट में बेसिकली वही है, आपको इसको चलाना है. टू मेक योर ब्रेन एक्सरसाइज. जब तक चलेगा नहीं तब तक आइडियाज नहीं आएंगे ना. So go ahead with that, and I'm giving you 10 minutes. Discuss with your classmates and group mates and come up with your ideas and team. Fine? Anything you from your end? Okay. Do we have to make any real time project or only like canvases, presentation, prototype? In this semester, there is no implementation part is added. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं करना है आपको आपको कैनवसेस बनाने हैं प्रेजेंटेशंस बनानी है और प्रोटोटाइपिंग बनाना है आपको सिर्फ ब्लूप्रिंट बताना है अभी कि आप कैसा क्या बनाना चाहते हो implementation then you will continue in the next semester. Yes, guys, have you decided? Whosoever is ready with their team members and project ideas will write their name in the chat box. Yes, Harshit, who is your team members? Write their names. Abhishek and Harshit, both of you write the team member names. Abhishek, Avinash, Amod, and you. Okay. So you people are here, four of you. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Amod is not there.
Okay, no problem. What is your idea? Who will going to discuss e-housing society management system? Yes, explain your idea, Harshit, Abhishek, or Avinash. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am. Just I am going to discuss about my project title, e-housing society management and system. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
First of all, I am telling e-housing management system what to do and how to do. So, the housing helping society via web applications that manage society by houses with members details. Let's move further. What is the objective of the project? In this society management system, all the society categorized by the numbers of houses. The people who lives in house, they may be a owner of house and tenant of house. In this era, people are very busy with their routine works, so they don't have any times for complain small problem related to your house. We have to develop the system for the society members. Then after, they can make a complaint for anywhere, any times, and resolve your query, complain and as soon as possible. Ma'am, in this system, people can easily find address of the housing by providing members' name. That's
Okay, means
agenda and
you
era of
guys
my.
are planning to develop an application
Yes, ma'am.
through which you are providing help to the society members. This is what you are
Yes, ma'am.
planning. Okay. So, any other idea you people are having with that? Yes. Yes, guys. Any other idea? Not yet. Okay. In last semester, what you have done?
I'm in last
बोलिए.
I'm in last semester. I mean, last semester we all of them are having their own groups. So
Okay.
we have our
Having
separate
different.
ideas.
Okay.
Yes, we,
Okay. Okay. E-housing society management system. Basically, your idea is not matching with your title. So first of all, make them similar and just change your project title that will match to your idea. Okay. And if you are see a management system is one kind of application that is offline that is not available as in on different nodes जो कि offline available होती हैं. Management system हम उसे बोलते हैं. And the application you are developing, you are planning to develop is maybe on Android or iOS type. So it is kind of in JavaScript you are planning for the development of this application, which technology you people will require.
Yes, ma'am. JavaScript and Visual Studio .NET with CH.
Right. So it may be available online as well.
Yes, ma'am.
This app.
Ma'am,
Yes.
basically I will try the web application development.
Okay. So this is not a management system then. Fine. Change your name of your project that will match to your idea.
ma'am, I want to add something in like my project system. There is one more purpose.
Yes, Harshit.
So, ma'am, in e-housing, in e-housing society management system, there is one
Hmm.
more purpose. Like,
Hmm.
if we want to buy or sell the houses from the
Hmm.
particular society, then we
Hmm.
can visit that website, and from there we can fetch the data of the specific houses that we want.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
from there we can easily fetch, and we can go there, and we can uh, easily
Purchase that.
yes,
Uh-huh.
yes, ma'am. And
You
to
can
get the
purchase the
honor of,
houses also.
yes, ma'am, and to get the contact of the owner of that house, and easily contact with them.
Okay. Instead of brokers, you are making
Yes,
it officially on website.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's why I'm saying ना management system is a kind of offline जैसे कि अभी आपकी दुकान की बात करते हैं ऑफिस में किसी ने एक सॉफ्टवेयर बना के दे दिया और आपने उसको प्रोवाइड करा दिया जो कि सिर्फ उसके सिस्टम में काम करता है उसमें अपनी डेटा एंट्रीज करता है और सारी चीजें जनरेट करता है दैट इज मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम जैसे कि लाइब्रेरी के लिए हम बोले ठीक है इट इज नॉट अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन और ऑन ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स this is not a management system you can say that just change the name of your project, I'm saying, which will match your idea, right? Are you getting? Okay. So, in your sheet that I have shared with you, in your there are two sheets available, two tabs available, EC1 and EC2. Make sure that you will write your entry in EC1 tab and with your team members and the name of the project. Fill your entry right now. Anyone from three of you. Yes, next team. Next one. Who have decided? Yes, Suhasini, Kushal, Jay. आप लोगों ने अभी तक टीम्स भी डिसाइड नहीं किए हैं क्या पिछले हफ्ते से अब तक? हाँ? Then come up with your team now. What is the problem? Meet Disha, Miloni, and Hanil. Yes, unmute yourself, four of you. Okay, idea is a problem. You people are not decided with your ideas, project ideas.
No, we have decided.
Okay. Yes, Disha, Meet, Miloni, and Hanil. You people are having. See, guys. I think I am not. I was not there in the your last lab, na. That's why you people are stuck in between, or maybe your people are confused somewhere or not clear with the things. I'm just giving you clarity over here. I already said you four members in a team is allowed. And also another thing, if you are having four people in a team, then at least come with an idea of four ideas. That in which in four of them we will finalize with one idea, because each and every person should come up with one of the idea na, at least. क्योंकि चार लोग टीम में काम कर रहे हो तो ऐसा नहीं ना कि एक ही इंसान को आइडिया आते हैं, बाकी तीन तो ऐसे ही हैं, आइडियाज तो सबको आते हैं. तो कोई भी आइडिया हो, जस्ट कम अप विद दैट आइडिया, देन वी विल डिसाइड वी शुड फर्दर मूव विद दैट और नॉट. फाइन. यस. दिशा, व्हाट यू गाइस हैव डिसाइडेड?
Ma'am, we want to continue with the further
That first project you have, which one?
transportation upgradation.
Discuss the project idea.
Sorry,
What are you
ma'am.
doing in this? Discuss the idea behind that project. What are you doing in it?
Ma'am, actually, we are going application of transportation will help the rural transportation of Rajkot.
Kind of. Can you elaborate?
Like RMTS application, we are going to make
Hmm.
that will tell users how many buses are available, which stop is available, at which point bus are arrived, which point you have to stay, like further details.
Is that possible practically?
Yes, ma'am.
According to you, RMTS will take the time as per you will given on the application.
No, ma'am, we are working on base of sensors.
Okay, sensors you will use in your application that will sense the timing and the stops of your buses.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how much work you have done till the last semester?
All the PDF, prototype reports, and canvases we have done, and we also made
Then what
prototype
is
models.
left that you want to continue in this semester?
Making of application.
You will implement it?
We will try, ma'am.
No, no, this is not about trial because you had already done with all the things. Two things you are having here, two options. First, either you want to implement it in this semester, then I can allow. Second, if you are having some another features to add on in this, then I can allow. Other than that, you have to opt another choice.
Yes, ma'am. Once we discuss, we will let you know.
Okay, then discuss with your team members and make sure that you will do the entries over there in a project detail sheet and write your team member name, and instead of writing the project name, write down it. Still, we are discussing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Yes. Next, Parthiv, Niyati, Suhasini, and Sanjana.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you decided with your idea?
Yes, ma'am. We want to continue our previous semester project, which is smart parking system.
Smart packing,
System.
smart parking. Okay,
Yes.
smart parking system. Elaborate your idea first.
In that, we are going to. It is totally IoT based concept, and online parking slots we are going to provide for users in the
Hmm.
application
Hmm.
software. and user can book their parking slot for time, means
See,
from
I
which
know
time.
what are you doing in parking system. You will allocate the parking, that I know. How you will do that? This is what I am asking.
Like wherever big malls, commercial buildings, and parking slot in city, there is one like Google Map, and
Hmm.
the application shows the empty parking slots, and user can book like a theater and theater seat book કરે એવી રીતે આમાં parking slot માં book કરી શકે. અને એના માટે online
Okay, means
payment system પણ available હોય.
मतलब घर से निकलने से पहले आप पार्किंग स्लॉट बुक कर दोगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the usage if you will take half an hour to reach there, and in within half an hour some another person require that parking slot?
If it is booked, then no one can
Then this is not
means use it.
feasible, ना? This is not. This is unfair. आधे घंटे जो आप टाइम ले रहे हो पहुंचने में, उसमें तो किसी कोई और भी उसको यूज कर सकता है ना. तो ये तो मतलब गलत अप्रोच है.
If there is another empty slot, then other can book it in entire park.
Any other idea you guys are having?
No, ma'am.
Okay. एक चीज सबके लिए, this is not for only this group, everybody here in this class. Guys, we know many problems surrounding us, right? We know traffic problem, parking problem, and a lot many, right? जो कि हम डेली लाइफ में भी फेस करते हैं. प्रॉब्लम्स पता होना इज इजी. अभी आपको प्रॉब्लम्स आइडेंटिफाई करने के साथ साथ उसके सॉल्यूशंस भी लेकर आना है कि आप उसे सॉल्व कैसे करोगे. प्रॉब्लम्स तो सबको पता है, लेकिन सॉल्यूशन क्या है उसका? दिस इज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इन दिस सब्जेक्ट. How you will come up with your ideas, how you will come up with the solutions to provide the society that they can take the advantage of your technology, right? This is what you are doing in this subject. मुझे पता है कि मुझे बहुत ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम रहता है. अब मैं क्या करूं? अब मैं उड़ के तो नहीं जा सकती. उसका उसका सोल्यूशन क्या हो सकता है? यू हैव टू थिंक ऑन सॉल्यूशंस. देयर आर मेनी सॉल्यूशंस अवेलेबल. Fine. So Parthiv and your team members, think on it and come up with another idea, or if you are having the same idea, come up with another solution, because this solution is not feasible. And also remember these things, guys. You are developing something, some websites, some applications. We are already having a lot of applications available on Play Store or App Store. Have you seen that? कुछ कुछ तो ऐसे एप्लीकेशंस भी हैं जो हमने कभी देखी भी नहीं होंगी, बट फिर भी वो अवेलेबल हैं. तो ऐसे एप्लीकेशंस या वेबसाइट्स बनाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है जो किसी के काम की नहीं हो, जिसे कोई यूज नहीं करे. If it will give the help to the society, if it is it gives some advantage or benefits to the society, then come up with those ideas. Don't waste your time with the existing things. Fine. So just think on it, Parthiv and the group, Niyati, Suhasini and Sanjana, and come up with the ideas and the solutions with it. Fine. Next, Jay, Harshit, Thare and Nishtha. Do you have anything to discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Our previous project was like from the hotel staff, we collected the leftover foods and we just donated to the needy people. There was a website and on this, and we want to add more features to it, like blood donation and fundraising and all.
Okay. So this you are collaborating all these features over there on one website.
Yes.
I will suggest for instead of website, you should develop that application that would be more convenient for the people.
Okay, ma'am.
because applications we can generally use in mobile phones,
Yes.
which is more easy to use, na? Instead of
Yes.
instead of websites.
Yes.
Are you getting? So yes, you can go ahead with this idea. Have you done this in your earlier semester? This is the new one.
No, we have done this in earlier semester.
You have done this earlier.
Yes. We are just
Then what
coming
is
up with the new idea of blood donation and more feature adding to it. It's fundraising and all.
okay? You have done till the that is the
Food.
donation, food donations.
Yes. The
Okay, and
leftover food
other.
which are at hotels and other stuffs which we collect
Mm-hmm.
and give it to the needy people after the end of the day.
Mm. So this you have done in previous semester. Now you want to extend this project with some other features like blood donation as
Yes.
well, then fundraisings as well.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
for with blood donations, you have to collaborate with the hospitals.
We can collaborate with the NGOs and stuff and hospitals
Okay,
also.
okay. Then for fundraising,
Fundraising, people can donate money. We can give a
how
tab that the people who need to donate money that will go to directly to the NGOs, not to us.
whatever it is, if you are collaborating with the things, then why people will trust that you will donate to the NGOs? What is the authentications?
Uh, they can talk to NGOs directly because we are just a pass through.
No, no, it is fine. I'm just asking when you are planning to doing something, then there are some parameters you should think upon it. If you are planning to collaborate for the fundraising things, and people will, if I want to donate something, then how can I trust to your website that you will donate my funds to the NGOs?
We can put the NGO number or email or something.
Okay, so you can just, I think, give the notifications like you can give the
Contact to
funds to
us.
these donations.
Yes.
Okay, you can go further with this idea and start doing it, and also think on the various parameters so that you cannot stuck in between in your
But
planning.
in food, they
Yes,
don't have to just do anything. Like in the food, they can just nominate their hotels and stuff. So we can
yes,
just go to there and collect there and give it to the needy people.
yes, you can do that, but for other things you have to do na, because now you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
extending your idea.
Yes, ma'am.
So like for this you have to make your application like that only. You can also make three tabs. Like in Paytm, we are having multiple tabs now.
Yes,
So you can make different tabs in your application, like for food donation, for blood donation, for funds donation.
yes, ma'am.
Then in that you can go further,
Yes.
right? So just do write down your project details in the sheet.
Okay.
Okay. Then next group is Kayur, Kishan, Kushal, and the Pain.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you decided your project?
नो मैम अभी तक तो नहीं क्योंकि हमें
अभी तक क्या?
अभी डिसाइड नहीं किया क्योंकि हमें नया प्रोजेक्ट करना है पुराना वाला
Okay.
कंटिन्यू नहीं करना है
Okay. Okay. Take your time.
यस मैम थैंक यू
Next is Dirgha, Nupur, and Shilpi.
यस मैम
Have you decided something?
मतलब हमें पुराना नहीं करना है
Hmm.
कंटिन्यू मतलब हम ऐसा सोच रहे हैं कि अगर
हम्म।
कोई ऐसी वेबसाइट बनाए
Hmm.
गवर्नमेंट जो छोटी मोटी सिटीज है और कोई गांव है और जिसमें गवर्नमेंट सब फैसिलिटीज नहीं प्रोवाइड कर सकती तो हम कुछ ऐसी वेबसाइट बनाए जिससे वो कोई प्रॉब्लम कंप्लेन हो तो वो डायरेक्टली हम गवर्नमेंट को पहुंचा सके और जल्दी से कुछ एक्शंस ले सके गवर्नमेंट ऐसा कुछ सोच रहे हैं
But government websites are already available for all these things. How you will
Yeah.
act as in between? Means here you want to help the people who want to connect with government, right? But
Yes.
government is already available. Government websites are already available for the uh, you can say that complaints and queries. Then how, as if you are a government employee or if you are a government parameter, then you can go ahead. Other than that, how you will? Yes, Nupur?
मैम मीन्स के सपोज कि अभी कई एरियाज है जहाँ पे डस्टबिन फिर भी अवेलेबल नहीं हो रहा है, अभी भी कई सारे
Okay.
एरियाज है। मीन्स मैंने
Okay.
ये सिर्फ एक ही बात देखी है, अगर और ज्यादा डीप में देखे तो शायद मिल सकता है। अभी
Hmm.
अभी तक गवर्नमेंट को बोला है कि हर जगह हर एरिया पे डस्टबिन होने चाहिए। मे बी ऐसा भी
Hmm.
हो सकता है कि इन बिटवीन कोई ऐसा एम्प्लॉयज हो जो ये सारी
Hmm.
बातें सब कुछ प्रोवाइड ना करती हो सिटीजन को,
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
ऐसा कोई
Hmm.
वेबसाइट बनाई जो डायरेक्ट गवर्नमेंट तक पहुंचा सके। मीन्स
But
अगर
हाँ बोलिए।
तो फिर गवर्नमेंट क्यों प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रही है? तो अगर कुछ ऐसे हाई प्रोफेशन हो वहां पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, ऐसी कोई वेबसाइट, क्योंकि अभी तक
See,
फिर भी गवर्नमेंट को पता है फिर भी प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहे, तो उसका कोई रीजन?
see, girls, what I'm saying here, we can just put ahead our thoughts for to the government. But as a citizen, we know that we should not interfere in these things because when the things are not in our hands, we cannot do anything. समझ रहे हो? अगर मैं कोई गवर्नमेंट एंटिटी नहीं हूँ तब तक मेरे हाथों में कुछ भी नहीं है और मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ, right? I can only put up the complaints, queries, and for that government websites are already available.
ओके।
But how you can do that? This is what I'm asking. You want to do, I got it. But how you can manage? This is what I want to know.
कोई ऐसे मीन्स हाई अप्रोच वाले कोई हो, मीन्स के कोई हाई मिनिस्टर या समथिंग डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट हो सके, बिकॉज के एम्प्लॉय भी ऐसे हो सकते हैं करप्शन वगैरह की वजह से शायद कुछ हो, और अभी भी ऐसे सिटीज है जो नहीं प्रोवाइड कर सकते। सिर्फ आइडिया आया है, ज्यादा डीप में देखा नहीं है अभी तक।
But for this, I already said you ना कि you are saying किसी minister से directly contact, क्या आपका है? You want to do that?
वैसे नहीं है।
This is what I'm asking. Na, government bodies are already available everywhere. They can check the official websites. तो वो आपकी website क्यों check करेंगे अगर आप directly वहाँ पर complain कर रहे हो? If they want to see the things, they can check the government websites where the official complaints are available. We are having consumer courts where the consumer customers or consumers can go and complain about the things. So
हाँ
what I'm saying here is,
ओके।
if you
नहीं,
want to,
ये नहीं, दो आइडियाज उसके हैं, दूसरा भी एक है।
हाँ बोलिए।
व्हीकल्स में अभी टायर और मीन्स के जो उसके टायर्स होते हैं वो फटने की वजह से एक्सीडेंट्स वगैरह चांसेस ज्यादा होती है। सीजन की वजह से भी कई बार मतलब फ्रिक्शन और उन सब टेम्परेचर की वजह से टायर फटते हैं। तो ऐसा कोई डिवाइस जो टेम्परेचर चेक करके बता सके कि ये टायर फटने वाला है, तो पहले ही अलर्ट कर दे।
नहीं मैम, हम लोग पायरोमीटर या इंफ्रारेड सेंसर्स उसमें डाल के रीड करेंगे, सो दैट उसका अगर वो टेम्परेचर एक्सीड हुआ या प्रेशर एक्सीड हुआ तो वो पहले हमको अलार्म दे देगा कि आपको अपना गाड़ी रोक देना चाहिए, सो दैट द टायर्स कैन कूल डाउन। ऐसा कुछ सोचा है अभी तक।
Okay, so do you know it is already available or not?
मैम मेरे को जितना पता उतना शायद रेगुलर कार्स में अवेलेबल नहीं है।
Cars जो अभी देखो, this technology has already come into the market that cars can check the pressures of the tires, right? If you talk about the
बट वी आर
previous models,
चेकिंग ऑल्सो।
I'm not getting you. What are you saying?
हम लोग उसका टेम्परेचर भी चेक करेंगे प्रेशर के साथ।
But I don't think so. It is like necessary because we already have this technology available in our vehicles that can check the pressure of the cars. And if you go for the new models, it is available. But for the previous models we are talking about, it is not. So according to that, if you want to check the pressure and temperature of the tires, what is the benefit therefore of it?
मैम इससे पता पहले ही चल जाएगा ये लोग का टायर फट भी सकता है या कुछ भी हो सकता है उसकी वजह से
ओके मतलब
so we
आप क्या करोगे? ओके चलो मैं मानती हूँ, इफ यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू विद इट देन यू हैव टू, अब जो भी पर्सन होगा वो पहले आपके पास आएगा, आप उसको चेक करोगे उसके टायर्स को, तो ये मतलब एक मैकेनिकल काम हो गया।
नो नो मैम,
तो
मैं
फिर
गाड़ी में पहले से ही फिट रहेगी ना, वो रीड करता रहेगा हर
वो एवरी टाइम चेक करता रहेगा, और जब ऐसा लगेगा कि इन अभी थोड़ी देर बाद सपोज के टेम्परेचर के हिसाब से फटेगा तो अलर्ट कर देगा, तो गाड़ी को हम रोक देंगे इन दैट सेंस।
तो मतलब आप ये जो है वो डिवाइस बनाना चाहते हो, वांट टू मैन्युफैक्चर दैट डिवाइस।
यस मैम
बट दिस डिवाइस इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल इन द कार्स, in the market.
मैम
If
जो
you
आप
had
डिवाइस
not
की
done
बात कर रहे हैं ना
the
करते हैं
Shilpi, your voice is not audible. It is breaking some between.
am I audible to you
Yes, yes.
मैम आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना वो
Hmm.
ये प्रेशर सेट करती है हम हमको अलार्म नहीं देता
Okay. So this is, you want to develop this device for the cars,
यस
which
मैम
will read the pressure and temperature of the tires.
यस मैम एंड इट
And for this, which
विल
technology you and for this, which technology you will continue?
अभी वो देखा नहीं है लेकिन पायरोमीटर और इंफ्रारेड सेंसर्स इसके काम में होते हैं।
ओके फॉर मतलब मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इफ यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू विद इट, व्हाट इज योर इनपुट टू दिस प्रोजेक्ट? आर यू गेटिंग?
यस मैम अभी
एक काम करो, आपस में डिस्कस कर लो, फिर वापस डिस्कस करते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है?
हाँ
ओके मैम
हाँ ओके, टेक योर टाइम। Ma'am, it is possible that I can perform with the same group with whom I did in the last semester, but they are in EC1 class. No, 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 you cannot. Yes, other groups, बाकी लोगों के? एक काम करते हैं, आज मैंने जितने आइडियाज सुने हैं मुझे लग रहा है आप लोग थोड़े कंफ्यूजन में हो, आप लोगों को टाइम चाहिए राइट डिस्कशन के लिए। सो टिल बिकॉज इस लैब से पहले ना तो हमारा इंटरेक्शन हुआ था डीई के रिगार्डिंग, और ना ही आप लोगों को पता था कि क्या करना है। सो आई थिंक यू नीड सम टाइम to think over your projects. So firstly, make sure that whenever you decide your project idea is clear with you, but come up with the solution that you can do for the society. This is not like ki there are sensors available and you will just put that sensor, they will fetch the data. तो sensor तो कोई भी लगा सकता है, तुम क्या कर रहे हो उस project में, how you are helping the people, right? So this is what I'm asking, what you will do for the society, and the things would be beneficial for the society. So come up with the solutions as well, think over the ideas. I'm giving you this week as well for your project, finalization of project. नेक्स्ट लैब से पहले तक आप लोगों के प्रोजेक्ट आइडियाज कलेक्ट हो जाने चाहिए ताकि नेक्स्ट लैब में हम आपके प्रोजेक्ट फाइनल कर दें. इज इट फाइन? Okay, so we are closing this lab session here with that. You will just think on your project details and project ideas, come up with the solution of your projects, then we will discuss in the next session. Fine?